I'm not naked, I promise. I'm wearing a, well, I worked out, so I'm still wearing my workout clothes, but this is a sports bra. It's from Gymshark. I love Gymshark, first of all. I'm gonna be buying well, I bought another, I'm waiting for another outfit that I bought, but I'm gonna be buying another outfit probably in the next few weeks. So let me know if you guys want to see what I got, because they're super cute. So the way that Nikki did it is that she did half of her face natural and she did half of her face glam. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take, okay, Melanie Mills Hollywood Body Gleam in Rose Gold, and we're gonna put it on one side of my face. I guess I put it on one side of my face. Oh. We're gonna pretend that that did not happen. How do I just use one hand? Oh my god, I've never done this on one side before. This is weird. It's fine. It's fine. I'm curious to see like if I'm gonna look any different or like super different. I don't know. So now we're gonna take, wait, hold on. All my stuff is in bags. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 350, and I'm gonna put that on this half of my face because I have uneven skin and I also have a few pimples because I have acne prone skin. So, and I'm just gonna apply this foundation on my face. Don't forget the ear. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Diddly diddly. Bum, bum, bum. And I always make sure that I drag my foundation down my neck because it's a different color from the rest of my body. But no one needs to know that, do they? Alright, it's lit. Let's go. Come through this side. Not so much this side. So now I'm going to take my Morphe spoolie brush, angled brush combo, and I'm going to fill in my brows. So my brows are actually pretty thick, but they just have bald spots, so that's why I fill them in. But I use brown and my eyebrows are actually black, so this looks only slightly strange. It's fine though, I'm sure. I think. So lately I actually haven't been concealing under my eyes. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. I just haven't really felt like it. And it's my face, so but yeah. Plus I can't actually find the concealer that I mixed with my foundation. I can't find it, so there's also that. So we're gonna go straight into powder. And of course, I am still using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, which I have been getting so much better at. I haven't made any huge messes lately, so it's I just made a mess. Dang it. This is why I just don't say things. Guys, look what I did. I really did try to not make a mess. I honestly, truly tried. It is what it is. Huh. I have been obsessed with the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I've been using this every single day and I love it so much. So what I'm gonna do is take Pukey. I think it's Pukey. Wait, let me check. Yeah, it's Pukey. I'm gonna take Pukey which is this warm brown, and that's gonna go in the crease. Oh, shoot, only one side, sorry. Wow. Oh well, this will just have to go on here then. Totally forgot that I was only doing one side of my face. Oh, you guys, I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad. You love how I move you love how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. Actually, I don't think I know the rest of the words. So now I'm going to take the JH31 brush that is also not clean. Don't judge me for the whole brush thing, guys. I swear I wash my brushes. I just don't wash them consistently. I'm going to take this dark green shade, which is called Enchanted. It reminds me of Taylor Swift. Oh, I love her. So I'm going to take Enchanted. Boom. And that's going to go on the outer V of my eye. So now I'm going to take what is that? Oh crap. Oh, I'm gonna take Twerk. Which is this shimmery blue here. Yeah, we're going blue. Oh, sweetie, we're going there. I'm gonna take that blue on my finger, and it's going on the lid, baby. Let the church say yes, Lord. Is this too much? Yes. Do I care? No. Oh. Oh my god, I love the blue. So now that I have packed that blue on my lid, I'm going to take it on a blendy brush. This is the JH32, and I'm going to blend it into, oh, I'm itchy. I'm gonna blend it into the green so that it looks seamless. Ooh, this blue is powerful. So I'm gonna go back in with Enchanted on the outer V of my eye and deepen up that blue. So I'm taking the JH40 and I'm gonna go in with Enchanted and take it down to my waterline. Do I look different yet, guys? Is it working? I feel like whenever I think that I'm gonna do like a natural look, it ends up being something like this. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow, wow, look at okay, let's do mascara. Yeah, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara as per usual. This is hilarious to look at. So now we're going to bronze. Favorite part. I'm gonna take my JH02 brush and this shade here in my Pro Luxe highlight and contour palette, and I'm gonna go hammy because it's what I do. Plus we're only doing one side, so that one side has to be bronzed up. If I brush my freaking eyeball one more time with one of these dirty brushes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a sty or scurvy. in the jawline. Cut that jaw, girl. Cut it. Cut it. Warm up just one side of my forehead. Let's not get crazy. And now to highlight, I'm going to take this color here and go ham. Ooh, she's bright today. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit. Feel like I might blind myself. There, that's nice and subtle, unlike the rest of my face, but it's fine. So you guys, I think all we have to do now is one side of my lips. I don't know if I'm that talented though. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip color stick, lipstick, who knows? And I guess I'm just gonna do one side. Stop! I keep hitting the camera. I'm so. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, this is it. I feel so strange right now. This is literally the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think I look different with makeup on? I mean, I feel like I look the same. I just have eyebrows, or an eyebrow. I have an eyebrow, and I'm a little tanner on one side, but I feel like I don't look that much different. But I don't know, my makeup is pretty simple to me. Like, I don't do like full like glam or anything like that. I'm more of like a natural, sometimes natural, not really at all natural look person. But no, I feel like I look pretty much the same. Like, I don't think I look super different. But let me guys know. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that I look like way different with makeup on. So you guys, that is actually it for this video. Weird. This is trippy to look at. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every day, remember, so you don't want to miss that. Also, if you are interested in being featured in my videos and being entered into weekly giveaways, then click the link in my description box and see all the perks of becoming one of my patrons. Also, you should follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Beauty by Lapis, because I'm always over there talking crap. No, I'm kidding. I'm literally always on Instagram, always on Twitter, talking to you guys. So if you want more of this face, then slide in my DMs. Or no, don't do that because I have a boyfriend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I love you to the moon and back to the moon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's Tuesday tip Tuesday video. Yeah, okay. Yep. Cool. Bye. Also, make sure you stick around and check out some of the stuff that's floating by my face.